Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. You are looking at the gun that I have carried the last couple years. Here we have a Car CW9. It has a carbon fiber finish on the frame, and the holster is a multi-holsters with a carbon fiber kydex. It looks super cool. The CW9 has been a great carry gun. It is very light and very thin. The slide width is 0.9 inches. It does have a single stack 7-round magazine, and the trigger is a double action 6.5 pound trigger pull. With the Car CW9, I shoot this extremely accurate, and I'm confident with it because I've had hundreds of rounds through it and not one failure to speak of. It has a 3.5 inch barrel and very thin. I enjoy carrying it. I've never felt it to be a duty. I've always enjoyed carrying the CW9, and I trust my life with it, which is what is most important. The spare mag I carry is using the extra carry mag pouch. Now, what I like about this is that it's easy on, easy off, just like that. This is the only thing that you see from outside the pocket, but in the pocket, it carries the mag high up in the pocket and very secure. So you're not burying your hand down in the pocket and trying to figure out which way it's turned or whatever. It keeps it secure in the pocket, and yet with a mag change, it's high up. You just install your spare mag like that. So together with the CW9, the extra carry mag pouch, and the multi-holster, it's a great carry system. Now, I titled this video, I'm changing it, and you would wonder, why would you do that? Because you just said how great all this stuff is. Well, I'm changing to a Car P9. Now, the P9 has some features that are higher end because it's part of Car's premium series. Now, the specs, the weight, the capacity, the dimensions are all the same as the CW9, so there won't be a transition period, but it does have polygonal barrel rifling. It does have a little nicer look in the slide, nicer engraving. We can take a look here and see how different that is. But it also has night sights, which are nice. You know, I think it's important to have night sights on your carry gun. I meant to install on my CW9, never did, but I have them on the P9. So for defensive purposes, you know, you can't go wrong with night sights. Also, many people use their carry gun as their nightstand gun. So, you know, whether you have it like this, it's off to the side, or even like that, you know, you'll be able to have a visual as to which way your gun is pointing on the nightstand. So just an added benefit that many people do not think about. But we have the same trigger pull, 6.5 pounds, same mag capacity, 7, and I could use the same holster and, you know, the same mag pouch. So all that is going very well. No transition period at all. I'm going to put some rounds through it before I carry it, but I'm very confident that the P9 will perform outstanding. Let's take a look at the unloaded weight. 1 pound 2 3/4 ounces. If we look at just the ounces, we can see that it's 18 3/4 ounces. So, you know, when I said I enjoy carrying it, part of the reason is because of that. It's so light. And of course, the confidence. Now, if we put a 7-round mag in, we'll see that it's weighing in at 21 3/4 ounces. Let's put another round, because you have one in the chamber, and that's weighing in at 22 1/4 ounces. So fully loaded with 8 rounds, just around 22 ounces will get you the P9 or the CW9, same weight, you know, fully loaded. That is pretty light and very thin and easy to carry. So the P9 is going to be my new carry gun. I'm going to have to put some rounds through it. I can't wait to do that because I am expecting this to perform outstanding. The MSRP is over $700, but I see it at Bud's right now for right around $550. The exact same gun with night sights. These are Trigicon HD night sights. Some of the best on the market. And for right around $550, it's not a bad setup. It's actually an excellent setup, and I've always trusted my life by carrying a Car handgun, and it's not going to change now. I am very pleased, and I cannot wait to get some rounds downrange, as well as self-defense rounds, to make sure everything works just as it is supposed to, so I can confidently carry this gun as well and as comfortable as I did with the CW9. And confidence is key, and I know I'm going to have it right here with the Car P9. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.